And this is why you need to buy a digital load tester like this before you go buy a new battery. So here we've got some AC Delcos. They're rated at 735 cold cranking amps. These units I got from Menards. They tested out good, brought them home, put them on a charger, let them charge up to 100%. And this is where they've been sitting for about 2 days now. $742 cold cranking amps. $734 cold cranking amps. So those were my two good batteries that I got from Menards and took home. But this is what I found in the store. So they had 8 batteries in here. I'm going to go through and show you all 8 batteries, what they measure. So remember, we want to be above 12.4 volts, or that sulfation is starting to occur and you're starting to lose cold cranking amp capacity. It looks like they load the batteries from the front because, spoiler alert, both batteries on the front tested above 750 cold cranking amps. They're both at 751, which is outstanding. I wish I could trade the two I actually bought for these two, but everything else was below 12.4 volts. One of them's even all the way down at 12.03. It's almost in the 11s. And here's a stud that has corrosion already starting to build up on it. It's just disgusting and terrible for being a new battery in the store. All these need to be above 12.4 volts though, and these are all sitting below it. So this is why you need to take one of these testers in the store with you and make sure you're not buying anything that's sitting below 12.4 volts, because that battery is already going bad. Now all you have to do to get the battery back up is put it on a good charger, but I still wouldn't be buying anything that's below probably 725 cold cranking amps for this. It's supposed to be 735. Both of them that I bought were at 730 amps when I tested them in the store. So I hope this helps save you from going to the store and wasting money on a brand new bad battery. Because remember, just because it shows over 12 volts does not mean it's a good battery. It's all about the internal resistance and the cold cranking amps as well.